Hi, Andrea here. Well, I'm excited to share with you a personal philosophy that I have, and that is, drumroll please, there's no such thing as too many hugs. I don't know about you, but I love hugs. It's a connection, it's a warmth, it's just a wonderfulness. Um, within family, if you're blessed to have a great family, that's really not uncommon. But often, for example, as people age, nobody's hugging them. So if you come across in a warm, friendly setting a senior, you really might want to consider hugging them, just have some human contact. Um, anyway, I do honestly believe there's no such thing as too many. I know I'm a crazy woman, but really, it's really a wonderful thing. So I seek opportunities, obviously appropriate, at every twist and turn in my life to give hugs. And obviously, then what happens, natural response, is the other person hugs you back. So keep it simple and just really just think about this and then take action. Really hug your children, hug your husband, hug your extended family, hug friends. It's a beautiful thing to do. It's really a beautiful thing to do. Notice how you feel when you're doing it and when you're receiving it. Have an amazing day.